Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to film a very quick, short 30-second makeup video. I literally have a Zoom appointment in a couple of minutes. So I wanted to show you really quick what I did earlier, maybe 10 minutes ago. I'm going to post that next. It's mostly for when you need to just get ready very quickly. It's better than not having anything. I know it's not perfect, it's not, extravagant, but it's simple and it's something you can do and get done very, very quickly and every single day, no matter how little time you have for yourself. So this is the basic minimum. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and let's get started. As you can see, it's snowing outside and I'm so excited. I specifically wanted to film a shot with the snow behind me, so I hope you enjoy it as much as I do.